The year 2021 was a defining moment for especially a few digital currencies. A mix of occasions caused the worth of certainly numerous altcoins to take off in an essentially significant manner for the most part. Explorer token was one such symbolic that gathered consideration in the market because of its most certainly and general achievement. Explorer token is a digital currency specialist that offers brokers an approved and safeguarded passage to crypto exchanging. Is it true or not that you are interested by the potential and idea of this digital money? On the off chance that indeed, this Explorer most certainly token value expectation will clear all actually your question. So with practically no fundamentally further ado, how about we straight plunge into the cost conjecture for 2022 and even past, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. VGX value figure for Q4. The market could arrive at another high of 49 cents because of Q4's prosperity and the execution of more current updates and advancements. Conflictingly, ominous analysis and an absence of excitement among dealers can drive the cost to 33 cents, which is genuinely critical. In this way, we might expect a 42-cent shutting cost by and large. Explorer truly token value expectation for 2023. Explorer fundamentally offers a without commission financial planning stage. Clients can generally contribute, certainly acknowledging they are getting the best conceivable execution without paying pointless costs. With help from sort of later selections and a really sure relationship with the local area individuals, the cost can arrive at its in every way that really matters. Yearly greatest shutting cost of 85 cents. On the other side, conditions like a monetary emergency or legislative limitations could drive the cost to drop to 43 cents. In like manner, a direct point of view could explicitly demonstrate that the ordinary cost would sort of be 62 cents. VGX token value expectation for 2024 amazingly. For both new and genuinely prepared clients, the trade's UI can overpower. The Explorer bunch plans every part and guarantees that it is easy to understand and congenial incredibly. By the finish of 2024, the worth of the VGX by and large token is supposed to ascend to a pinnacle of $1.43 by picking up speed from volumes. Neglecting to essentially stand consistent with its assumptions can bring about analysis in an unpretentious way. In every way that really matters, such a case, the cost could tumble to 72 cents. The absence of satisfying endeavors could by and large prompt the cost tracking down help at $1.05. Explorer token value projection for 2025 incredibly. The Explorer truly token looks to lay out the undoubtedly safe environment for the holding and move of digital currency for merchants overall in a very enormous manner. As a matter of fact, also, both inside the crypto local area and in the conventional monetary area, its group really holds an amazing record of accomplishment. Besides, with the development of fresher and better elements on the stage, it could pick up speed to a pricier tag of $2.35. On the other hand, a possible monetary breakdown or a worldwide market breakdown could make the value tumble to $1.19 notwithstanding. Taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on, the normal cost might find its base at $1.80. VGX value forecast. The Explorer most certainly token VGX fills in as the financier's local coin. Clients inside the Explorer biological system explicitly are compensated, and financing costs increment quickly, or so they generally thought, according to the VGX cost figure formed by our specialists. Before the finish of 2022, the coin could leap to 50 cents, which sort of is genuinely huge. Be that as it may, on the kind of other hand, it could tumble to the base cost of 33 cents, which is genuinely critical. What explicitly is Explorer most certainly token? Explorer token is a digital currency specialist that offers a trustworthy and especially secure passage highlight exchanging crypto resources in an every practical sense significant way. Other than this, Explorer is explicitly intended to furnish institutional and normal financial backers with an almost quick option for exchanging digital money resources. A remarkable, really shrewd request directing framework associates the Cryptographic Money Business Administration, which appeared in October 2018, with considerably more than 12 digital currency trades, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. At present, it for the most part upholds more than 55 crypto resources. Besides, in January 2019, the Explorer essentially token portable application sort of was delivered, making it significantly less difficult for customers to exchange digital currencies a major way. In the interim, while thinking about the in every practical sense, local badge of the business, Explorer really token truly is broadly used to remunerate its clients inside its environment. VGX likewise really upholds every one of its capabilities in its Android application in a significant way. This application in like manner offers cashback rewards. and fundamentally different administrations restrictive to Explorer clients, which is genuinely huge. Crucial examination: Explorer token's parent organization, Crypto Exchanging Advancements, is controlled by a gathering with an extremely profound involvement with online business administration. Stephen Alick, Philip Eiton, Gaspard Dedruzzi, and Oscar Salazar are supporters of the undertaking's establishing. Explorer has fostered a cryptographic money exchanging network that surprisingly looks like the clients that conventional web-based businesses have in a significant manner. The shrewd request directing method involved by Explorer token utilizes disparities in express costs on digital currency trade. With the utilization of this innovation, brokers may immediately interface with, for the most part, in excess of 12 digital money trades, which is very critical. Likewise, permitting them to pick the best conversion scale possible for their exchanges. The element even makes it altogether kind of easier for merchants to enter and leave their positions. Here are some center highlights of the VGX. In opposition to prevalent thinking, clients of Explorer tokens likewise benefit from cashback on practically the entirety of their exchanges. The Explorer token organization essentially offers brokers a genuinely wide assortment of cryptographic forms of money to exchange. Fledgling amicable UI offers certainly extraordinary liquidity and a completely safe stage to the brokers. Authentic Value Investigation, 2017-18. On July 18, 2017, the Explorer Especially token appeared at 6 cents on the lookout. In 2018, when the digital money market was performing very bullishly, the symbolic saw its greatest breakout by arriving at a record high of $12.54 on January 5, 2018, which most certainly is very critical. One more upswing happened for the Explorer token, which topped at $5.02 on May 10, 2018, which for the most part is very huge. The token kept on declining subsequent to arriving at its top in May, in the end selling at around 12 cents toward the year's end, 2019-20. Subsequent to confronting a tremendous defeat, the token proceeded with a reliable pattern in the year 2019 of 6 cents in a significant manner. In October, it in a real sense begins falling once more and basically comes to 2 cents and go on till July 2020. The year in a real sense closed at a cost of 15 cents. 2021 in an unobtrusive manner. The Explorer Especially token truly stayed underneath $1 until 2021, subsequent to neglecting to break this pattern for the accompanying 2 years. On January 30th, the symbolic's cost came to $2.80 without precedent for the beyond 2 years. On February 20th, VGX arrived at a high of $6.90 in the wake of proceeding to rise. The coin closed the year at an expense of $2.91. What will the very least and greatest cost of VGX most certainly be toward the finish of 2023? The coin can hit record levels with a truly greatest and essentially least exchanging cost of 85 cents and 43 cents individually toward the finish of 2023. How high will Explorer go constantly 2025? The token can break out of its negative market to arrive at the in every way that really matters. Most elevated exchanging cost of $2.35 by 2025. Is Explorer trade genuine? Explorer truly is a stage that is public, reviewed, and controlled. It, all things considered, offers clients